What's up, guys? It is Nico Moreno here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how my gold trading bot made me over $23,000 in 7 days. And, I'm going to show you essentially how it makes really over $50,000 per month for me. Really like 6 figures a month, but it can be a little bit different every month, every week. There's no fixed amount. And also I can adjust the risk to be higher or lower, so that will also affect the outcome as well. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I'm gonna show you the bot on the screen. I'm gonna show you some cool, exciting results. I'm gonna show you whatever you need to see. I'm not trying to necessarily brag or anything, but I'm just really trying to open people's minds to the fact that this is really actually possible. You're not gonna start most likely by making the amount that I make with it right from day one, but you can see, I'm going to show you some results of clients on the screen who have made $10,000 to $20,000 per month within their first 60 days, we'll say. So, you can essentially start making a 6-figure income with this or more within 60 days or less. So, I think that's pretty exciting. I think people, if you're watching this, you're probably just someone who's looking for a different way to make money. You know that it's possible, and you know that working for a boss or, having a day job is just not the way to financial freedom. That is what I always knew. And I think a lot of people who have started working with me and, became clients and users of the bots also feel the exact same way. They've been searching for some way to free themselves from the matrix and having to work for other people, having to be stuck in a 9-to-5 that you hate. I was there once, so I get it. And there is a way out, and there are actually lots of different ways out, but I recommend that you just pick one and go all in with that. And this is after trying a whole bunch of different things, some of which I still do, kind of like secondarily, but this is really the best one. Oh my gosh, by far the best one that I've ever found. The reason for that is it's fully automated. That's the key. Honestly, that's kind of the biggest reason. It's fully automated, and you can make a crap ton of money with it with the right strategy. I'm going to tell you what the right strategy is, because without the right strategy, you could do this exact same thing. You could use this exact same bot, and you probably won't make very much money. So you have to have the right strategy as well. So let me just get right into it. I'm going to show you stuff on the screen really quick. I'm going to show you some cool testimonials. I'm going to show you some results over here, and I'll just show you on the screen some other stuff. And by the way, if you want to get started with this bot, there are going to be links down below. You can apply to become a user of this bot. We have a way that you can get bot licenses, so you can license this software to use personally. We can also help you pass your prop firm challenges using this bot as well. So if you're interested in either of those, click the links down below. I'll talk a little bit more about that towards the end of the video as well, but I just want you to know that they're there. I'm not just going to show you this and say, hey, sucks for you, you're on your own. We actually help a lot of people do this, and this is what I believe to be the best and fastest and easiest way to freedom right now here in 2025. I'm dead certain it's completely changing my life, and it's changing other people's lives as well. So here is one of my clients, and he said, this was actually from the first week of him running the bot. He says, hey Nico, the bot just went for the first full week, and I'm up $2,301 on my account. So it's literally more than my day job. You're the man. Yes, it is more than your day job. So, get on it. Get started. We've got another one right here who says, hi, I got a $9,290 payout from FTMO. Your EA passed and now makes profit. I can't believe that this profit just arrived in my wallet. So they made, almost 10K a month, which for most people, again, that is probably more than, a monthly salary. Here's another client right here who says, I made $12,258 withdrawal from the prop firm with the profit your EA made for me. And you can see right there, amount USD 12,000. So people are really changing their lives with this. And here's another one, and then we'll actually get into some other cool stuff. Another client made $11,000 And yeah, let me show you, again, this is one of my accounts right here. I actually have multiple accounts, which is pretty cool. You can have a lot of accounts. You can have multiple, multiple accounts. So I have 6, and I'm buying more all the time because why wouldn't you? There's no reason not to. This is the hack. This is the money hack where you can make a crap ton of money. I'm trying not to sound scammy, but like it really is. This is it. I found it. So yeah, last 7 days, total P&L right here you can see, and this is on just one of my accounts. So this was replicated almost exactly the same. It's slightly different on each account, but yeah, 23K in 7 days. You can see all the trades right there. Not everyone is a winner. There's a big one, 11,000. Yeah. So let me just go over and I'll show you some stuff in the bot. Hopefully my camera moved over to the right screen. I think it did. Cool. Alrighty, so here is my bot. Basically what I do is I use this on prop firms. So if you don't know what a prop firm is, I highly recommend that you spend a little time educating yourself on what it is, but in a nutshell, also I have another video which I can link somewhere around here that explains what prop firm is and why they're such the biggest opportunity really. Basically what a prop firm is you are allowed to, you can pay a fee to a prop firm, and it's this company that basically will provide you with this trading account. It's a demo trading account, and then when you pass their challenge, which you have to do, it's not actually easy to do. You have to have a very a working strategy that will fit within their rules and their guidelines, otherwise you'll fail the challenge. If you pass the challenge, then you get to start earning real money, and you can earn a significant amount of money based on how big the account is that you bought. So you can see right here, the balance, let me see if I can zoom in. The balance on this account is $513,000. So this is a 500 grand prop firm account. I have 6 of those, so that's basically like $3 million in capital. So you can see if you make 1% on that, that's what, $30,000. And my bot usually makes like 10% a month. It can vary sometimes between 5% to 10% per month. Because there are losses. Not every single trade is a winner. I will show you. There definitely will be some losing days. Although this has honestly been a very good week. Really nothing catastrophic. I mean, these are super tiny losses. But yeah, some days you will get losses. I mean, yeah, this has been crushing it lately. Yeah, so again, I want to show you right here. This is the bot. It does not have any open trades right now. The reason for that is I actually turned it off because it is about to be, well, market's closed right now. The gold market is closed. This is my gold trading bot. But you can see right here, these are all the trades that it took, the little green triangles, and then the red triangles, and the green triangles, and the red triangles. And these are, I mean, this is a list of the trades right here. So that is what this is. Yeah. But none of the trades there's currently nothing open right now because it's the end of the day on Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. And this is a USD pair. This is a gold, XAUUSD, and it is unwise to trade US dollar pairs on US dollar holidays, which tomorrow is Thanksgiving. So I just have everything off. It's not trading. But yeah, anyways, this is the bot right here. I just want to show you, like, these are the trades that it has taken. These are all of them down below. I'm trying to make this a little bigger, but it's a little hard to also make it scroll and also make the thing bigger. But yeah, I just want to show you, open up your eyes to the opportunity that is right here. I mean, can you imagine even making just like one of these payments? Like, that would be more than enough for most people. But this is happening. I mean, look, these were all on the same day. This was a small little one, but let's see, 11/21. Yeah, had a $700 loss. That's fine. Yeah, I mean, I'm just trying to open your eyes to this. Like, if you look, let's say let's just pick this one day right here, right? 11/24. That's $1,900 and $2,300. Let's just call this $4 grand, right? It's a little more than $4 grand, but just this bot made me $4,000 in one day on one of my accounts, and I have 6 accounts, so that's $24,000. I mean, why would you not do this? Like, yeah, I mean, that's what I'm doing this for. That's what I'm like making this video. I'm like helping you open up your eyes. And I know a lot of you guys who are watching this video are probably already clients and you're already probably doing this, but you absolutely need to, like, yeah, this is the way to escape. I mean, this is the way that I've escaped, like literally, I mean, my mind is kind of just like blown that this is a real thing and people are sleeping on it. So educate yourself. I'll have links to other videos probably around here. If you're watching this on YouTube, there will be links to some of my other videos if you still need to see more, or if you're just interested in, if you know you want this and you're like, hell yeah, I want to make, you know, again, I'm not trying to make financial guarantees. I can't guarantee anything, really. With trading, like, you must know this. With trading and with investing, past results do not guarantee future profits. That was all I'm going to say. All right, there's no guarantee. I'm very upfront about that. Like, I'm not trying to pull the wool over anyone's eyes. But when you use a prop firm, you're not actually risking your real money. So, like, the downside is essentially nothing. And the upside is multiple thousands of dollars every day and every week and every month. So, I mean, it's like stupid to not take that bet when the downside is so small and the upside is just absolutely freaking life-changing. So that's the video. Yeah, I wanted to show you some of the bot trades. Again, sorry that it actually isn't actively trading right now. I mean, you can literally see right here. This is not like faked or anything like that. The numbers are moving. The market is literally closed right now. Trading closed. And also tomorrow is a holiday, and so I'm just not, the bot is just off because that is what a smart trader does. They don't trade on a US holiday when they are trading a USD pair. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you're interested in doing this, you can. There is nothing stopping you. Click the links down below. You can apply for a bot license, and you can also apply for a done-for-you prop firm passing. This is probably kind of what it's going to look like. You know, this is the software. It's called Trade Locker. You know, you can see right here, yes, it says demo. That is because this is a prop firm account, right? So it is like a, you know, they give you a demo account, and then the money that you make off of the demo account is paid out to you. So that is how it all works. Anyways, hope you guys like this video. And again, there is a way out. There is a way out. This is the way out. This is the best way out that I've ever found, honestly. And yeah, so I hope that you make a great decision for yourself if you want freedom from whatever it is that you're doing that sucks. Or if you just want like some more side passive income and you want to keep doing what you're doing, hey, that's totally fine. I've got people in every boat who come on board and work with us and get our bot running and pass and make money with these prop firm challenges. And yeah, you can absolutely be next. There's nothing stopping you. So take action if you want this. Click the links down below. And yeah, have a great one. I'll see you in the next video.